I want to show you how we can create Warped Query design and import image into it. So run Peyote Creator program. Select My Menu Item, File, New. Select Option Start with a geometric beardwalk. Next. Select any palette, for example, Toho palette. Next. Select design format Warped Query. Select necessary rows number, for example 120, any design nickname, any initial color, any shape, horizontal. Apply. Finish. We got Warped Query. Save our work for future use. Next, we can import directly. Import image, open image, and push button import. We can see that there is not image inside the design center because Warped Query has this feature. Now based on the center, but we can convert Warped Query from classic to uniform shape. OK, and we can import image in this form. Select the same source image, push button import. Now we can convert our query from uniform to classic form again. Only use it colors. Customize the styles. For example, Arial. OK, save, and now import to PDF our image. For chat, so font size 7. OK. Image preview, use it color list, and put chat. That's all.